Hey 10th graders, welcome to Today Simplifies. So today I'm gonna discuss about trigonometry. I think ఇది మీ అందరి ఫేవరెట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అనుకుంటా. సో ఎవరికైతే మీకు ఇది ఫేవరెట్ చాప్టరో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మీ అందరు నాకు కామెంట్లో పెట్టండి ఇది నా ఫేవరెట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంకా నా ఫేవరెట్ చాప్టర్ అని. సో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అనేది డిస్కస్ చేస్తా. So let's start the video. Yes, so first we have to know that what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study the relationship between the sides and angle of triangle, especially the right angled triangle. అంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అనేది ఒక మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ యొక్క బ్రాంచ్ అన్నమాట. దట్ స్టడీస్ అంటే అది రిలేషన్షిప్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ది యాంగిల్స్ ఇంకా సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ అ ట్రయాంగిల్ని చెప్తుంది. ఇది ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ముఖ్యంగా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద పర్ఫెక్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ. లెట్ us see the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse of angle A. So here we can see in the right triangle the angle theta is at A over here, and angle B is right angled. So the opposite side of angle A is BC, and adjacent side of angle A is BA, and hypotenuse of angle A is CA. So here sin theta is opposite side of angle A and by hypotenuse of angle A. That means here BC by CA. This is sin theta. Moving to the cos theta, here the cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse of angle A. Here the adjacent side of angle A is BA and hypotenuse of angle A is CA. So BA by CA. Now next we have tan theta. Tan theta is the opposite side of angle A and adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Here the opposite side of angle A is BC and adjacent side of angle A is BA. So BC by BA. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta, and the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Here we can see the inverses of our ratios. Here sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Remember that I said that these are in the earlier case, like when we are discussing about trigonometric ratios, I said that the ratio of sin theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is a secant theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is a cot theta. So these are the inverses, as you can see here over here. These are very important for solving all the problems that you struggle to solve. So here sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Here cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So these are the inverses. Please rectify them. Second, we have to learn about trigonometric ratios. I mean, not those trigonometric ratios that we have learned earlier, but these are the ratios. I mean, the exact values of the angles of trigonometry. So here, I have few tricks to remember this whole table. So let us dive into that. So here I have created this to explain you all a few tricks that I have used in my time. So let us see the tricks that I used to understand easily. So here we have sine theta, sine 0. In the place of, these are the values of theta here, angles. So in the place of theta, if there was 0, what what will the value be? So here we have to take normal numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have taken this normal numbers, consecutive numbers. Here ఈడ మనం బై 4 చేసుకోవాలి. ట్రిక్ కోసం మనం అన్నిటికీ by 4, ऐसे by 4 लगा देना. Okay. So now we have to do this one, this step. రూట్ పెట్టానమాట అన్నిటికీ. So yeah. So the value of this is 0. So the value of sine 0 is 0, as you can see. So the value of sine 30. So what is 1 by 4 root 3? It is nothing but 1 by 2. Here the value of root 1 is 1 over here, and the value of root 4 is 2. Next we have 45, sine 45. Here root 2 by 4 is nothing but root over 1 by 2. We have cancelled here, as you can see. So is equal to root 1 by root 2. The value of root 1 is nothing but 1. So the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Here moving to sine 60. Sine, here we took 3 by 4 root over. So root 4 is nothing but 2. So that's why the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Moving to the 90 degrees. Here root over 4 by 4 that we have taken, and this can be written as root over 2 by 2. So 2 1 2 ones are 2 ones are, so nothing but 1 by 1, root over 1. So the value of root over 1 is 1. So if we ఒకవేళ మనకు ఓన్లీ సైన్ టీటా వాల్యూ తెలిసిందంటే మిగతా అన్నీ ఈజీగా మేము తీసుకోవచ్చు. మిగతా లైక్ కాస్ టీటా, సైన్ టీటా, ఐ మీన్ టాన్ టీటా, కాట్ టీటా, సీకెన్ టీటా, కోసికెన్ టీటా, అవన్నీ ఈజీ అయిపోతాయి మనకు కనుక్కోవడానికి. సో నెక్స్ట్ కాస్ టీటా. So the cos theta, we have to take it the reverse of, we have to take the reverse of sine theta. Like we can see the value of sine 90 is 1, so the value of cos 0 is also 1. And here the value of sine 60 is root over 3 by 2, so the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So like this we have to write all the numbers. Once you check and verify your doubt, if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comments box. So let us do now. So the value of cos 0 is 1, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2, the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, the value of cos 90 is 0. Here we got the values of sin theta and cos theta. So we can easily find the values of tan theta too. Let's see. So we have to know the important point of tan theta. So the tan theta, so here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the important formula, important thing that we have to note in our mind. We have to remember in every single sum. It will help in every single sum. We have to remember this one perfectly. So we know that the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So this will be reciprocal. Done. So we have to remember these two things over here. We have to note this in our brains and also our notes. Okay, let's continue here. We have got the values of sin theta and cot theta. So it is easier to find the values of tan theta too. So let us find. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. As you can see, I'm taking, look carefully, I'm using this one over here, this formula over here. So the value of sin 0 is 0, and cos theta, cos 0 is 1. So sin 0 by cos tan 0 is equal to sin 0 by cos 0. So what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So tan 0 is equal to 0 over here. And next, tan 30. The value of tan 30, let us find out. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. So the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. See, it is easier for us now. So tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. It's nothing but 1, because here this and this get cancelled. So is equal to 1. Next, tan 60. Tan 60, here tan 60, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled, so root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3. Here we got this one too. So let us see tan 90. Tan 90 is 1 by 2, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. You can clarify that with while talking to sir. It is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. So not defined. Tan. So let us repeat once again. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3, and tan 90 is not defined. So now, since we got these three, it is easier to understand the other three, like cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, as they are reciprocals of these three ratios. So but let us see the cosecant theta. Yes, here cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. We have studied that in earlier case. So here cosecant theta cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So there is 0 by 1 is nothing but, see here 0 here ఇక్కడ ఏం లేనప్పుడు బై 1 వస్తుంది కదా. సో దీన్ని రెసిప్రోకల్ తీసుకుంటే ఏంటి 1 బై 0. మేము ఇక్కడ ఎర్లియర్ కేసులో చూసినట్టయితే 1 బై 0 ఇస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్. సో 1 బై 0 రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ థీటా 1 బై 0 ఇస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్. అంటే secant 0 is not defined. So let us move to the next one. Cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. So sine 30, as you can see, sine 30 is 2 by 1. It is the reciprocal of what do we say, sine 30. Cosecant we have learned that sine 30 is the reciprocal of cosecant 30. So here the reciprocal of sine 30 is cosecant 30. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Here the reciprocal of sine 45 is cosecant 45. So the ratio of this is nothing but root 2, sorry, it is root 2. I have misseen it. And uh, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And sine 90, the value of sine 90 is 1, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1, because here 1 by 1 is 1 only, no? So here done. So the cosecant 0 is not defined, and cosecant 0 is not defined. Cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 root 3. Cosecant 90 is 1. Here the cosecant theta is done. And moving to the cos theta. The reciprocal of cos theta is a secant theta. I forgot the C here. So yeah. Next మనకి the reciprocal of cos theta ఏంటిదంటే secant theta. So here the reciprocal of 1 is 1. అంటే 1 by 1 అంటే 1 కదా రెసిప్రోకల్. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ 3 by 2 అంటే ఇప్పుడు రూట్ 3 by 2, 2 పైకి పోయి రూట్ 3 కిందికి వస్తుంది. సో 2 by root 3. అండ్ హియర్ cosecant theta, cosecant 45 అంటే ఇప్పుడు కాస్ టీటాకి రూట్ 2 పైన పోయి 1 కిందకి వస్తుంది అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ రూట్ 2. అండ్ హియర్ reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 by 0 is not defined. Yeah, so the value of secant 0 is 1, the value of secant 30 is 2 root 3, the value of secant 45 is root 2, the value of secant 60 is 2, and the value of secant 90 is not defined. So here lastly tan theta. The reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So we have to do the reciprocal of this whole tan theta to get cot theta. So the reciprocal of 0 is not defined, as I told you in the earlier case. And the value of the reciprocal of root 3 by 1 by root 3 is root 3, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1, and the reciprocal of root 3 by 1 is root 3, and the value of the reciprocal of not defined is 0. So yeah, cot here cot 0 is not defined, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is root 3, cot 90 is 0. So the ratios are done in this way. With this simple and easy tricks, you can learn the whole table. Remember that you have to rectify the whole table every single time when you come to revise the trigonometry chapter. అంటే మీరు ప్రతిసారి ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ చాప్టర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి ఈ టేబుల్ చూసుకొనే పోవాలి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ యూ అంటే మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా మీరు చూస్తూ ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇది మీ ఫేవరెట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కదా, ఇది మీ ఫేవరెట్ చాప్టర్ కదా. సో ఎవరికైతే ఇది ఈ చాప్టర్ ఫేవరెటో వాళ్ళు నాకు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టండి ఇది నా ఫేవరెట్ చాప్టర్ అని. So this is the table of trigonometric ratios of every angle. You can take the screenshot of it, or it is available in the textbook of